students, myself Miss Rachna Jain, Associate Professor, Department of English, Government PG College, Rajgarh, Alwar. Today in this video lecture, I am going to explain you the poem Earthen Pots composed by O.N.V. Kurup, a great Malayalam poet. This is my third video lecture on this topic. This poem is in the syllabus of BA Part 3rd English Literature, Paper 1st, Unit B. These are the opening lines of the poem Earthen Pots. I read the lines. How long have we remained here thus, two empty earthen pots, gazing at each other, close by in the potter's yard, so close that softly brushing against each other, and not quite sure whether touching or not, gazing at each other in inexhaustible jest, we two earthen pots. Now, first of all, I give you the simple English meaning of the words earthen pots. Earthen pots means pots made of mud. Gazing means staring or looking fixedly. Yard means courtyard. Brushing means touching lightly or softly. Inexhaustible means that will always continue or tireless. Jest means keen enjoyment or excitement. Now I tell you the reference with context of these lines. These are the opening lines of the poem Earthen Pots composed by O.N.V. Kurup in Malayalam, and then this poem is translated from Malayalam into English by K. Sridharan Nair. O.N.V. Kurup is a great poet and a prose writer. This stanza centers on two empty pots. The location of these two pots in very close. The poet tells us about the close ties that bind these pots together and their attachment to each other in these lines. How long have we remained here thus, two empty earthen pots? In these lines, the poet says that the two empty earthen pots lying here means in the potter's yard. How long means for a very long period of time. These two empty earthen pots are lying very close and jostling with each other in the potter's yard. They are tied very closely, gazing at each other close by in the potter's yard. As they are tied very closely, they are staring each other with a feeling of love and attachment, and they are lying in the potter's yard, so close that softly brushing against each other. The poet says that these two earthen pots are very close lying in the potter's yard, and they are touching each other, but not quite sure whether they are touching each other or not, gazing at each other in inexhaustible jest. These earthen pots are staring each other in tireless excitement and the feeling of attachment and joy. We two earthen pots. Such was the situation of these two earthen pots who are lying in the potter's yard, closely tied and gazing each other with a great feeling of excitement, pleasure and joy. They are lying there for a very long period of time. Through this poem, the poet ONV employs the symbol of earthen pots to talk about human beings who are seen as merely a mass. They have no significant value in themselves. By implication, the poet suggests the concept of man as essentially a thing of earth. So the students, this stanza centers on two empty earthen pots which have been lying very close to each other in the potter's yard. They are two mud pots and are not sure whether they are touching each other or not, but they are lying very close. This poem is written in free verse, hence there is no rhyme scheme in it. So students, that's all for the day. In the next video lecture, I will explain you the remaining part of the poem. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.